Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason here at Buick GMC. Check out this 2020 Sierra AT4. It's got 93,000 miles, but this thing is in premium shape. All right, let's take a look inside. And on the front of the console, we have USB-C, USB-A, 12-volt power supply, as well as a 120. Heated and cool seats for both driver and front passenger. Wireless charging is also available for compatible devices. And let's not forget the sunroof. Once again, guys, thanks for joining me on this walk around of this 2020 Sierra AT4. 93,000 miles on it. Be sure to get more information from morebuick.com or come on in for a test drive here in beautiful Jacksonville, North Carolina at Buick GMC on North Marine Boulevard. Have a good one.